The two-way table shows the number of births in thousands in the United States for the years 2010 and 2011. A baby born in 2011 is randomly selected. What is the probability that the baby was born in February? So when we're doing probability, remember probability we write as a ratio, and it's comparing the number of favorable outcomes to the total number of possible outcomes. So here in this problem, they're telling us that a baby is born in 2011. So right away, we can ignore everything in this row about 2010. We don't need to use any of that information because we already know the baby is born in 2011. So when we're finding our probability here, the number of favorable outcomes, what we're looking for is the number of babies born in February of 2011. So that number is going to go in the numerator of our fraction. And then in the bottom, you put the total number of possibilities. Well, we already know that the baby was born in 2011. So the number that's going to go on the bottom of our fraction is the total number of babies that were born in 2011. So if we look at our table, if we go to February of 2011, we can see that there were 299 babies born in February of 2011. So that's going to be the numerator of our fraction. And then if we go back to our two-way table to look at the total number of people born in 2011, we see 3,966. So that's going to be the denominator of our fraction. So here, the probability that given that a baby was born in 2011 was randomly selected, the probability that the baby was born in February is 299 out of 3,966.